If you want to stand out as a photographer, it's not about the quality of your photos. Everyone focuses so much on that, and I get it because we all want to get better at photography. But it takes time, and that doesn't mean that you can't start getting clients. You can make a lot of money with photography even if your photography is average if you level up the experience of your current clients or your new clients. So today I'm going to show you the one tool that is going to level up your entire business, even if you are just starting. If you're a beginner, you have to do this even more because, as I said, if your quality is not good enough yet, if you do this, you are going to level up your business by a lot. And your clients, even if you don't have quality enough, they're gonna see you as a professional photographer. And you're going to understand everything in a second. Why your client's experience matters. When I was living in London, because I was living there for 11 years, at the beginning, it was very hard for me to get clients because nobody knew me, obviously. But by the end, just because of the experience I gave to my clients, word of mouth was doing the job for me. I wasn't doing anything because by then I was very busy with YouTube as well. So I was doing client work and keeping up with my YouTube channel. So it was very hard for me because it's a lot of work. So I wasn't making a lot of effort to get clients because I was getting them just because of word of mouth. And that's because I offered an amazing experience to my clients and they started talking about me to their friends, to their family. So friends of friends used to come to me. So this is very powerful and it's going to help you a lot. And many beginners forget about this because you focus so much on quality and you worry too much about quality. And that's totally fine, but you take care of the rest of the process. If your quality lacks a little bit, you are going to be fine. You are going to be considered a professional photographer and you are going to be able to charge more. First impressions are very important. And that's the reason why the way you deliver your work is one of the most important aspects of the client experience. I'm quite sure you've heard about this platform, comment below, because it's been in the photography business for many years already and it's quite popular. And the name is pic-time, and they're sponsoring today's video, and I'm going to show you everything you need to know to get started, and you're going to have a free trial, a full month free trial for you to try it out and see if you like it. But don't worry because I'm going to teach you everything today. This is one of the galleries I built to show you with one of my clients. So here I located my logo. I will teach you later how you can do it as well. I put a cover photo that I love. It's a press shot for a music artist. And then if you go down, you can see the gallery. But the best part of this gallery is that I can see it, but then the client can see it too. And if you work with more people, like makeup artists or stylist or whoever, you can send them the link as well and they can see everything. And if they click in the photos, they can see it bigger and also they can favorite the photo. So this is very good because many times, every time when I have a photo shoot, what I do is send the proofs and then they have to select the ones they like for me to edit. I want them to select because they have to choose their photos, okay? I don't like when the photographer has to choose for them because many times you're gonna find out that you select completely different photos. Because it did happen to me during the photo shoot and they prefer other photos than me. So I always allow them to choose. And this is a very easy way because they just favorite the photos and that's it. And then I can see their favorites and start editing. I'm going to select this one, for instance. If you go down here, they can buy it. And if they press here in buy, they can select all the sizes available, frames, boards. And if you click in see other products, you have a shop. You have a shop, and this is very good because clients, many times, they don't even know they want the photos printed. I work with music artists a lot, so maybe for me it doesn't work that well, but if you are doing weddings, travel photography, family portraits, this is very good because if the clients see already, look at this, how the photo is going to look like, they can order calendars, flat lay albums, gallery boards. You have so many items, so you're going to have a built-in shop in your gallery. This is an incredible way to make money with your current clients in a passive way as well, because the moment you send them the gallery, they're gonna be at home browsing through it, selecting the photos, and then going through the shop to see how the photos look printed. And they're going to love it. So they're going to see all these possibilities and they're going to be super tempted to buy. Plus it's not expensive, so you're gonna upsell the photo shoot. I'm going to use it from now on because I didn't use it before. As you may know, I always use Squarespace and I'm gonna keep using it. I still think you need a website. This is a gallery, okay? It's separate. But from now on, I'm gonna do it like this. Before, it was sharing a link through Squarespace and the client could see the photos, that's it. And select the photos because I used to put numbers on them and that's it. But this is incredible because I'm going to show you as well how the gallery looks, okay? So this is how it looks. The cover, my client, my logo, and if you go down, I put Barbican London, such a good memories in London shooting here. And you can see all the photos and you can see the preview of one of the videos. Because nowadays, I'm sorry to tell you, so many of you don't want to learn video because I did a video about this and you guys got triggered. I don't want to learn video, so don't learn it. I'm telling you what is going on at the moment in the creative industry, and it's very good as a photographer if you learn video because now most of the clients ask for it, but this is your choice. But just so you know, if you deliver video to your clients, they can see the videos here as well in 4K, which is amazing. Look how aesthetic it looks. You see all the photos and then the preview of the video, and if they click here, they can see it big as well. And also, I'm gonna pause it, you see here that it says download, so they have the option to download the video, but you can change this if you just want to show them your work and you don't want them to download it because you are getting paid for it, right? You are going to charge them. So you can change this in settings as well. And let's go down here. I added a section called behind the scenes, and here I put all the videos of my shooting. With social media, many of the people you work with, they're going to want to see behind the scenes videos. So you can upload them here and you can allow, for example, to your team to download them and to your clients to don't download them, for instance. So you can see here all the videos. I really love how it looks, and you can even create vlogs. I'm not gonna go into it, but you can create vlogs with your galleries. This is my client's gallery. So if you go here to name and cover, you can put the name, you can put the date of the shooting, the language, blah, blah, blah. And here you can see the cover, how it looks in the desktop and in the phone, because pic-time has an app as well. So this is part of the price as well of your fee, because your client is going to be able to download the app, and when you send them the link, they're going to be able to see everything in their phone. And this is super good. It's an amazing experience for your client. So here, you can select a few covers. You can select this one, full size, or this one. There are so many to choose from. And then you can also customize the color. If you click here, it's going to match the photo. I'm gonna go to preview, and now it's black. If you prefer black, the theme, you can do it as well. And then if you go to photos and media, it's super easy. You just have to go here. You can create visual storytelling, which is like this, like a portfolio. You can create slideshows, or you can create a blog, as I told you before. And if you want to add photos, the only thing you have to do is add a scene, like I did here, and a scene is the title, like behind the scenes, Barbican London, whatever you want to put. I'm gonna create a portfolio, photos and clips. And you just have to select the files here, okay? It's very, very simple. And if we go to the gallery setup, this is very important for you. So the clients cannot download the photos if you don't want to, or they can download them in web resolution. This is an option you can give them as well. It's very intuitive to use. That's why I really recommend you to try it for free for a month to see if you like it. You can select here, private gallery, expired gallery, which means that you can send them the gallery and tell them it's going to be available for 1 week. I don't make it expire, but you can do it. Then show on portfolio, request email before entering the gallery. This is the way you are going to be able to upsell and make more clients. It's like creating a newsletter, for instance, because if you request email before entering the gallery, imagine on a wedding, all the guests, they're going to be sent this gallery because all the guests want to see their photos. They're going to have to enter their emails, and then you can send a newsletter with offers in your photography business. So you have already, let's say 100 guests, I don't know, 50 guests. You already have potential clients there because you have their emails, they know you already because you were shooting in the wedding with them, and you are going to be able to reach out to them. And then here you have many more things. I'm not gonna go in depth into it because otherwise this video would be super long. And then you can feature video downloads and watermarks, you can add them there as well. You can do everything you want in pic-time. And another way to make even more money, apart from collecting their emails and making more clients, and apart from having a built-in shop, is going to automations and discounts. This is super good. I mean, It's very clever. So you can select all these options. You can select an early bird. So you can make an offer. It says this here, increase sales by offering gallery opening discounts. So you can say, for the first week of the gallery opening, all the photos are 50%. And people have this urgency to buy the photos that week because we are offering a discount. And it's all automated. You don't have to do anything. And then you have more here, the expiration promo, when the gallery expires, abandon cart, anniversary gift. This is very clever as well. Bring your clients back to their gallery and generate new sales. So after a year, you send them the gallery again because it's the anniversary of your client, if it's a wedding, let's say, and they're going to be teased to buy more photos. It's an incredible way to make more money. And then you have more options here, but I'm not gonna go in depth because there are so many things going on in pic-time, but these are the main ones. And if you come back to the main dashboard, you are going to see here analytics of your sales, your orders, and everyone who visited the gallery. So this is very good to track all your sales and how it's performing. And if you go to settings, you have to go here to brand and style because branding is very important. And if you go here, you can see you have many options to select from about how your portfolio is going to look like. There is a preview here, the gallery image processing, and then the logo. I did a logo, it's my font, Laura BC. You have to upload it in PNG, so it's transparent, the background, and in negative and positive. And that's it. So it's very easy to use and very intuitive. You have plenty of time in a month to play around with it and see if you like it and how you feel about it. But I'm sure you're going to love it because it's very intuitive to use. It looks incredible and the app looks super beautiful, and I think your clients are going to love it and you as well. And with this, you are leveling up your business like crazy, even if your photos are not quite there yet. And if you want to learn much more about photography and the creative industry, subscribe to my channel because I share weekly videos, and check out this playlist I'm going to put here because I have a huge library of videos that are going to help you to make money with your camera. As usual, like the video if you took something good from it, and I will see you soon. Mwah. Big love from Bali.